In front of me is Xiaomi 15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On. Then launch it and click on OK in this welcome pop-up to continue. Now go into tab menu and hit edit button over here. Finally scroll all the way down to add caffeine shortcut to your current ones. Tap on this checkmark at the top right corner and click on your new shortcut. Finally, after using this switcher next to allow modifying system settings, you can go back to your tab menu, this time to activate your shortcut. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!